What's going on, guys? Today we are back with another video, and we have another pair of Pure Money 4s, and this pair has been botched, so you can't really tell from this far, but when I bring up to you, somebody tried to repaint them and did a horrible job. Like, I'm talking on the midsole, the uppers. You guys can see there's two different shades of white. They painted the netting also, and didn't do it well. You guys can see it's just cracking all over. It's like they did a horrible job. Like, they did really bad. And like the back, they even got paint on the, like, they just did a terrible job. So we're gonna go ahead and fix this. This is the worst type of job to do, in my opinion. Like, fixing mistakes, it's the worst thing to do, but I think it's gonna make for a nice transformation. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. All right, so to begin the cleaning, I'm going to be using some Rejuvenator. I'm going to be using a medium textured brush to clean up the uppers. Then I'm going to use a stiff texture brush to clean up the outsole and midsole portion of the shoe. And after cleaning the uppers, I just use my microfiber cloth and just go ahead and wipe at the shoe. Alright, y'all, at this point we began stripping the paint. I have my nephew helping me. We're gonna strip all this and repaint all this pretty soon, just using acetone and cotton rounds. That's pretty much it. All right, so for taping off the air bubble, I just place some tape down, use my X-Acto knife, go in like so, and then I just use the end to cut it out, and pretty much it's a nice way to get it covered. All right, at this point, we're gonna push out the creases. So I have a damp towel right here. Placing this over the toe box. I have it wrapped tightly. I'm just going to use my iron and press really hard and fast. Don't stay in one spot for too long. That should help push the creases out. Alright, so I put the first coat down on the midsole, you guys can see. It's going to take about 8 coats to go ahead and get this right.
On that 8.5.
And we got a bet going right now. So the bet is over or under 8.5. I said it's going to take more than 8.5. He said it's going to take less. So we're going to see. Alright, guys. So I've painted this first panel right here. You guys can see. Midsole is also finished. As you guys can see. Everything's coming along really nicely. But yeah, so first panel is done on both shoes. Now moving on to the second panel. And then we're going to do the netting and then see what else we need to like blend in or whatever. Alright, guys, so here I have a mixture of Angela's Too Hard with some flat white paint. You literally mix it 50-50. You get a mixture that you can use to go ahead and paint the netting, which is what we're going to go ahead and do now. So, pretty simple, same process. Taking my paint, obviously, to show you guys how I'm going to do it. I go one side, then I dry it with the heat. So my camera cut off, but basically I'm saying I paint one direction, then I go the next direction, backwards, and then upwards. Alright, guys, at this point, all the paint is done. I'm going to start to apply a finisher. Just using some regular acrylic finisher. And it's really simple. You just apply it on as if you were painting the shoe. Just get an even spread everywhere. You don't want to saturate too much, but just get it around everywhere. I usually just do one coat. You could do 1 or 2 coats, and you'll be good to go. Alright, guys, we got them in the ice box right now. I applied the sole sauce. Using CCK sole sauce, just apply it all over the outsole. Wrap it in some clear wrap. Put it in the ice box or underneath the sun if you don't have one, and you're good to go. Alright, y'all, here's the shoes in all their glory. From what we started with to have these right here looking pure white, like actual pure money to the bottoms. Look at the bottoms. Yeah, we did a good job. We did a really good job. So, if you want this treatment done to your own pair, DM my IG at Drestorations. If you have any questions or concerns, you can DM me, drop a comment. I reply to all comments and DMs. I'm always happy to help. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and follow, and I will see you guys in the next one.